Hey, I'm off to the next meeting, but I need to find an Italian restaurant.
Outdoor seating, pet-friendly, of course. Can you send that to Luca?
Oh, and can you put it in my calendar?
Samsung has released 2 new short teaser videos to build excitement around the Galaxy S25's enhanced integration with the Bixby Assistant. First teaser, titled A True AI Companion is Coming, the 17-second clip offers a glimpse into Bixby's upgraded capabilities. By the way, if you haven't done reservation for the Galaxy S25 series, do that because you can even win up to $5,000 Samsung credit. Link is in the description below. In the video, an office worker demonstrates the power of the updated Bixby by finding a pet-friendly Italian restaurant with outdoor seating, sharing that information with someone else, and scheduling the meeting in the calendar app, all in a single spoken command.
Hey, I'm off to the next meeting, but I need to find an Italian restaurant.
Outdoor seating, pet-friendly, of course. Can you send that to Luca?
Oh, and can you put it in my calendar?
This seamless interaction with Bixby is made possible by advanced AI-driven improvements, enabling the virtual assistant to excel in natural language processing (NLP). How well this functions in real-world scenarios remains to be seen. Samsung has also teased an AI camera feature on the Galaxy S25 powered by Bixby. The company's latest teaser showcases how Galaxy AI and Bixby enable users to turn the night sky into stunning visual masterpieces using only voice commands. The Galaxy S25 series integrates Bixby and AI directly into the camera app, offering users an effortless way to capture moments through voice control. This innovation marks a significant leap forward in smartphone photography, unlocking a new level of convenience and creativity. As highlighted in Samsung's X post, the new AI feature powered by Bixby empowers Galaxy S25 users to enhance nightography and transform the night sky into breathtaking visuals using voice prompts. This points to advanced AI capabilities within the Galaxy S25 series, specifically designed to improve night photography and videography. It's part of Samsung's broader vision to enhance mobile experiences through AI integration. More details about these integrated features will be unveiled at Samsung's Unpacked event on January 22 in San Jose, California. Enhancements in night videography for the Galaxy S25 Ultra are expected to be a highlight of the event. Samsung has dropped the official Unpacked teasers for the Galaxy S25 series. Let's check out the teasers first.
Hey, when is the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked? Can you put it on my calendar?
Samsung has confirmed that the next Galaxy Unpacked event will take place on 22 January 2025 in San Jose, California. A key feature of Samsung's flagship devices, the S Pen, is naturally expected to see some upgrades in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. However, it seems the upcoming S Pen might also bring a significant hardware compromise. Previous Ultra models, including the Galaxy S24 Ultra, featured an S Pen that operated via Bluetooth and Bluetooth Low Energy. This active stylus supported advanced functionalities such as air gesture controls and serving as a remote camera shutter, features that distinguish it from third-party stylus options. According to a new leak from retail sources, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's S Pen will reportedly forego Bluetooth connectivity. If true, this would mean losing advanced features like gesture controls and remote shutter capabilities. Will Samsung use a new connectivity standard for the S25 Ultra's S Pen? The rationale behind this potential change remains unclear. It's possible Samsung could adopt a newer, more efficient connectivity standard for the stylus. However, the leak does not suggest this possibility, and without corroboration from additional credible sources, it remains speculative. Another plausible explanation could be that Samsung has decided to remove Bluetooth functionality from the S Pen due to limited usage among current Galaxy users. While the source of this information has a solid reputation, it's wise to approach this rumor with some skepticism, as this is the first claim about Samsung removing Bluetooth support from the S Pen. The S Pen has long been a defining feature of Samsung's Note series, and since its integration into the Galaxy S Ultra lineup with the S21 Ultra in 2021, it has only been refined and enhanced. If these rumors are accurate, the Galaxy S25 Ultra would mark the first time Samsung has scaled back the stylus's capabilities, representing a surprising shift in strategy. How do you feel about this downgrade? Comment below. Now, renowned leaker Evan Blass has shared even more official images of Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 lineup. Not just this, I have a big update related to the RAM of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. But before that, if you haven't done reservation for the Galaxy S25 series, do that because you can even win up to $5,000 Samsung credit. Link is in the description below. The latest renders of the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra don't introduce new details compared to the previous leaks, but do offer fresh angles and a better view of each device in single-frame images. The Galaxy S25 Ultra brings subtle curves to its flat-frame design, moving away from the iconic boxy Note look. The thicker camera rings feature a dual-layer approach, adding depth and refinement to the back panel. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus are showcased in their possible signature colors, highlighting Samsung's signature design philosophy. The bezels have been further minimized and the frames are now flatter, offering a sleek, polished look. What do you think about the new official photos? Let me know in the comments below. Here's another big update about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. 16 gigs RAM Galaxy S25 Ultra variant may launch in select markets. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to be the standout model. According to a reliable tipster on Cybo, the 16 gigs RAM version of the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be limited to regions like South Korea and China. Unfortunately, this means that users in other countries may not have access to this higher RAM configuration. The 16 gigs RAM model is ideal for users seeking top-tier performance for multitasking, gaming, and other demanding tasks. With such a high amount of memory, the Galaxy S25 Ultra promises seamless handling of intensive operations, making it the go-to choice for those prioritizing maximum performance. In markets outside of South Korea and China, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to be offered only with a 12 gigs RAM option. Samsung appears to be reserving the 16 gigs variant for a select few regions. As of now, this information should be taken with a grain of salt, as Samsung hasn't confirmed the availability of the RAM variants. It's now virtually confirmed that Samsung's upcoming flagship series, the Galaxy S25 lineup, will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This comes as a relief to those wary of Exynos processors due to concerns over performance discrepancies. Although leaks strongly hinted at this, there hadn't been any official confirmation until now. Samsung announced the date for its next Galaxy Unpacked event, where it will unveil the Galaxy S25 series. The company also shared the news on X, and Qualcomm's official Snapdragon account reposted it with the caption, "See you there." This all but confirms that Snapdragon processors will be at the heart of the Galaxy S25 lineup. While the exact Snapdragon model hasn't been confirmed yet, the likely choice is the Snapdragon 8 Elite, or possibly a custom for Galaxy variant, which could deliver even better performance. Now let's talk about the impressive Galaxy S25 Ultra performance gains that has been revealed by a leaker. Performance is a key factor for flagship smartphones, and if the latest leaks are accurate, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will deliver in spades. While most details about the phones have been leaked, concerns about overheating with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor remain a question mark until now. Early reports suggested overheating issues with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, especially for devices using an overclocked version, which the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature. However, tipster Ahmed Quader claims that Samsung has addressed these concerns. According to him, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will boast performance improvements of 38% over the Galaxy S24 Ultra, including 34% faster graphics and a 43% better NPU, ensuring a smooth and powerful experience. Equally impressive is the phone's upgraded cooling system, which is said to provide a 42% higher cooling rate compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This means potential buyers can rest assured that overheating won't be an issue. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.